The brightest flames leave the deepest scare within you. Yet true love burns the brightest. When you have made someone your eternity, the saddest thing is to be a passing moment for them. It hurts when you love someone but can't hold them in your arms. I assumed you would always be a part of my life, yet you vanished as if you had never been. Only the memories are left behind. I will wait for you until either I forget about you or you realize you can't forget about me. The worst sensation in the world, in my opinion, is to be forgotten by the one person you could never forget. It was very difficult for me to accept the fact that certain individuals may remain in your heart, but not in your life. Every time I think about you, I want to weep. It makes my day and all my days miserable. Life without love is a gradual death sentence. Crying in the rain is one of favorite things to do, because no one can hear the agony when I do. My life is suddenly devoid of love, and it seems as if I have no existence at all.